Today you'll learn how you can add your social links and social icons to your Wix website. Now this is very important when you are building your brand. So the first thing that we need to do to be able to do this, once we are inside our website editor, is go to the top left hand corner, click on the add elements option. And then once you get this menu right here, you want to scroll down until you see the option for social. Now, once you click on social, there's many different ones right here. So what you can do is choose between the ones that you like. For example, I will just choose this one at the top. Once you do this, you will then be able to reposition this, resize this, whatever you like. And then to add your links to these, to make these clickable on your website, what we can do is click on set social links. And then as you can see, you've got Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, and TikTok. Now you will be able to move these around and reorder these as you wish. But to add our links to these, what we need to do is just select the one that we want. So for example, Instagram, you want to click on this. And then once we select Instagram, you want to select this URL right here. And then you will then be able to paste your own URL into this box, which will then redirect your customers or anyone visiting your website to your Instagram page. And then you can do the exact same thing for each one of these social media platforms. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can add your social links and social icons to your Wix website.